Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get lantern in Fisch. Alright, let's begin. First of all, I wanted to tell you that you should get to the Moosewood village. Once done, you just need to get up the ladder in front of you after spawning, and then you want to walk up to this lighthouse. Here, you're going to look for an NPC which is called Lantern Keeper. Now, it's usually right beside this lighthouse, but it spawns at different places. So you should be able to see him because he has kind of a halo above his head. What's also important to know is that he speaks very odd, as if he was an otherworldly entity. Now he sells lanterns that serve as light source and cosmetic. Now what you also have to know is that it can be found easily at night, but it doesn't spawn at daytime. So right now, we won't be able to find him. However, when it's nighttime, just walk around here, and you will definitely be able to find him. Also, those lanterns are sold for 1,000 cash credits inside the game. And once you buy one, you also have a very slim 1 of 50 chance to get a fairy lantern. And what the lanterns do is basically light up the area around you a little bit. So that's basically how you can get lantern in Fisch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.